Good morning, everybody. As you see, I'm ready to go. Welcome to day 9 of the Hokey. I am in Yukon, the Yukon Territory somewhere. It's a little chilly, but it's not freezing. Yesterday was a complete shit show. I bombed up the Alaskan Highway through British Columbia, and everything was great. Then we got into Yukon, and the direction was wrong on the sheet. And anyways, I turned left and went 150 miles out of the way, 75 down, 75 back, and plus sat down at the end of it while I figured it out. But anyways, complete waste of time. So I was, to say pissed would be an understatement. So I had a 5-hour lead, and I don't know how many miles, but that was all shot. Time we got it figured out, there's people out there, trackers turned on, so I don't even know where any of the riders are at this point. I don't even care. But I'm still rolling. I'm going to roll out of here. I'm covering up my speedometer, and I'm just rolling how I roll. So whatever it is. So if I break any rules, any laws, then I'll pay for those as I go. But I'm not looking down, and I'm not going to care. So we're going to make up some miles, and we're going to hammer. So if you can see the trackers, these trackers suck so bad. They're awful. We got to use GPS satellite stuff when we spend all day in places where no cell service is. They record from the satellites to locate you, but it sends it via cell service. So if you don't have cell service, it's not sending it out, so nobody can watch it. So kind of took the fun out of it yesterday. Nobody knows where anybody is. People are missing their trackers. So I don't even know what happened to that dude that was all over the place on the first day. I don't even see his tracker anymore. So I don't know if it's just completely off and he's just somewhere and he'll just pop up and he'll probably magically turn on at the finish line. But that's what it is. So I'm rolling. Don't get any misconceptions. I said I was done yesterday. I meant done for the day, not done for the ride. So I'm going to keep pounding it out. And I want to dedicate today to our boys, to our 5 heroes who got to deal with all kinds of adversity, all kinds of bullshit that they didn't plan on, that they didn't ask for, and they get cheated all the time. So I'll dedicate today to the 5 heroes that we ride for, and I'll be thinking of them as I roll on, and whatever it is, because sometimes you just got to keep fighting, regardless of what gets laid in front of you. So because it's not always fair, it's not always right, and most of the time people don't give a shit. So you got to just keep on fighting. So to the heroes, we roll along today. Peace.